Welcome back to the FlipTech East Coast podcast, and in this episode we are excited to introduce a contest that is going to run until the very end of the conference at 2 o'clock on Saturday. This contest is brought to us by our awesome sponsors at Screencast-o-matic, and we're calling it What Now, What Next? The winner of the contest will get a Chromebook, and in essence we are looking for you, the FlipTech East Coast participant, to tell us about your experiences now and what you are going to do next. What now? What next? And so to outline this contest, the rules are very straightforward. First of all, address the prompt that was given, what now, what next? Because this contest is being sponsored by Screencast-o-matic, we want you to both use the tool in order to make the video and in the time mention Screencast-o-matic. We want this also to be a short 1 minute or less clip explaining what now, what next. And then lastly, you need to make sure you share your results with us at FlipTech East Coast and at Screencast-o-matic by the end of the conference. The end of the conference is 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Saturday. Only those people who make the video are eligible to win the Chromebook. If you know Screencast-o-matic and are comfortable with their tool, feel free to use Screencast-o-matic before the conference and enter your video before you get to the conference. Or if you wish to make your video at the conference, the Screencast-o-matic green room in room 239 of the high school will be used for you to make these videos. Or you can use the room to do anything that has to do with Screencast-o-matic. Come on out, tell us what now, what next, and have the chance to win a Chromebook. We're so excited. And this contest is brought to us by Screencast-o-matic. The Chromebook as a prize is being offered by that company. They're so very gracious and have been amazingly supportive for this conference. And all of this can be found at FlipTech East Coast coming up this weekend, June 29th and 30th at Collingswood High School. We hope to see you there, and we can't wait to meet you.